Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Welcome to Raj Creations. This is part B of motif. In this part we will cover the string part and the big jhumka motif. Here I have used 6 strands of thread and then after tying a knot on the bottom they will form 12 strings and we will do bead stitch for the string. Let's see how we have to prick the needle. And then pass the thread underneath it, turn towards other side and then take it from the loop and don't stretch it so much, just lightly. Only once we have to prick the needle on fabric and rest of the stitches will be on thread. If you want thin string, you can also use less strings of thread. Now completing this triangle part of jhumka. Here I have used only 3 strands as in earlier embroidery work of this motif. Start from the point what I have mentioned. First we will do the lower row and then we'll proceed upwards. Now the lower row has been completed. This triangle is very equivalent to my borders part 3 video. You can also refer for that if you want this motif in a continuous way in a border form. Here we have used only a single piece of triangle. I am giving its link in description. You can go through it if you want to make this border. On this oval shape of jhumka we have used on the top side border part 1 and on the lower side borders part 2 has been used. You can refer to that previous videos. It is not possible to cover all the stitches in one video. Here I am doing the square on the upper side. You can also fill a square motif as used in this jhumka motif, or you can refer to my previous video. of square motif. Now starting the filling part. First we will cover the upper part of this triangle and then we will proceed to downwards the lower row. Upcoming videos of mine. In the same manner, you have to fill the small square motif as I have started from here. A triangle shown above this square motif is a part of the same triangle has been used in my just previous video of neck design part 3, neck design 3 part 2, sorry. You can also learn this from that video published just before Jhumka motif. Now completed the upper part of this triangle and we are proceeding towards the lower row. See how to fill this. After completing, the whole motif will. Thank you.